Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to the Women Nomads channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you, Maine in autumn, an RV explorer's dream with alternatives for every traveler. Now, before we embark on this colorful journey through the heart of New England, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy our adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share the love. Ready to dive into the golden hues and coastal charm of Maine? Let's go! While today's video will just skim the surface of Maine's many wonders, we're excited to dive deeper into this beautiful state in future episodes. We are going to start with Maine's fall foliage. It is the stuff of legends. As leaves transform into vibrant hues of amber, crimson, and gold, the pine tree state offers an unparalleled visual treat. In this video, we'll embark on an RV journey through Maine's autumnal wonders, providing alternatives for those without an RV. Let's dive into a world of scenic drives, coastal beauty, and gastronomic delights, one of Maine's most iconic destinations. Of the North Atlantic coast, the Acadia National Park. Located on the rugged coastline, Acadia is a true embodiment of nature's majesty. Covering more than 49,000 acres, it's not just a highlight of Maine, but a crown jewel of New England. It's one of the top 10 most visited national parks in the United States, averaging over 4 million visitors a year. Home to some of the most stunning landscapes and diverse wildlife on the eastern seaboard, Acadia National Park is open to explore year-round. There is hiking, bicycling, birdwatching, stargazing, swimming, boating, touring historic places, and more. There is something for everyone. Like most national parks in the United States, they have a policy called Leave No Trace. A policy we strictly comply with regardless of where we are camping. What does it mean to leave no trace? Leave no trace is about attitude and ethics. It's about taking personal responsibility to respect and care for our limited wildland resources and the experiences of other outdoor enthusiasts. Low-impact skills and knowledge are also an important part of Leave No Trace, but without the right attitude and ethic, they are useless. You must commit yourself to apply them, to practice good stewardship. Leave No Trace extends the National Park Service mission to you and challenges you to conserve the scenery and the natural and historic objects and the wildlife therein and the enjoyment of future generations. So, for those wanting to immerse themselves in its beauty, Acadia offers a whole range of accommodations. Acadia National Park may appear small on a map, but the park encompasses nearly 50,000 acres along the Atlantic coastline of Maine, including Mount Desert Island, Scenic Peninsula, and other islands. 60 miles of coastline, 33 miles of scenic motor roads, 45 miles of carriage roads, and more than 150 miles of hiking trails provide numerous ways to explore the park. Just to touch on two of the many campgrounds they have, like Blackwoods and Seawall, provide spots for tents and RVs. And for those who prefer a bit more comfort, there are cabin rentals available, ensuring a cozy stay amidst nature. Camping is a great way to experience Acadia National Park. But be sure to contact the park to find out what time of year they close the park to camping. Due to Old Man Winter, which affects many national parks across the U.S., camping may not be available year-round. However, there are other accommodations in the nearby towns. All campsite reservations must be made in advance on the park's campground website or at recreation.gov. There are no same-day reservations, and no campsites are available for request upon arrival. Acadia even has a campground available just for stock owners. So if you own horses, the Wildwood Stables campground is specifically for you. Whether you're an adventurer, a nature lover, or someone seeking tranquility, Acadia National Park welcomes every traveler to a memorable escape. Now on to Coastal Route 1, Maine Scenic Byway. There's a road in Maine that promises more than just a journey, it promises an experience. Welcome to Coastal Route 1, Maine's legendary scenic byway. Stretching over 300 miles, Route 1 takes travelers on a mesmerizing journey, from the southern beaches to the bold, rocky northern coast. Along the way, you'll encounter a tapestry of towns, each with its unique charm. Towns like Kittery, known for its shopping outlets, Ogunquit with its renowned beach, and Camden, often dubbed as the jewel of the coast. Each town is a treasure trove of amenities. From boutique shops, art galleries, seafood restaurants, to local markets, there's something for everyone. For those wishing to linger a little longer, Coastal Route 1 has got you covered. Numerous campgrounds and RV parks dot the route, like Moody Beach RV Campground in Wells and Camden Hill State Park. Prefer a roof over your head? And offer cozy stays. Rockland's harbors and its famed lighthouse. Don't miss Rockland, the lobster capital of the world. Its vibrant harbor, rich in maritime heritage, and the famous Rockland Breakwater Lighthouse is something you don't want to miss. Rockland is called the lobster capital of the world, and on your first visit, you will understand why. You can find lobster all around town. However, the most popular spot to get some fresh whole lobsters or lobster rolls is Claw's Lobster Eatery. It is located just a few minutes' drive from the middle of town. For the active traveler, Coastal Route 1 doesn't disappoint. Explore hiking trails, take a bike ride, or kayak in serene waters. Photos don't do it justice. Coastal Route 1 is not just a road, it's a journey through Maine's heart and soul. Next on our list is Augusta, Maine's historic capital. Many rush to Maine's alluring beaches, but nestled inland lies a city rich in history and charm, Augusta, Maine's capital. The heart of Augusta is its downtown, a canvas of Victorian architectural wonders. These structures tell tales of a time gone by, where every brick and facade has a story. Hospitality thrives here. Cozy bed and breakfasts offer comfortable stays, and landmarks like the Maine State House, the preserved Old Fort Western, and the insightful Maine State Museum enrich your visit. For those itching for the outdoors, the Bond Brook trails beckon. Popular among locals, they offer a rugged escape right in the city's backyard. Capitol Park, with its sprawling green, is perfect for a family picnic. And don't miss out on the local flavors. Augusta's dining scene boasts authentic chowders and fresh shellfish, a treat for every palate. And there's Kennebunkport, coastal elegance and history. Heading south, we reach Kennebunkport. Known to many as the summer haven of the Bush family, this town offers more than just political star power. Its coastline is a serene escape. With miles of beaches, sailboats dotting the horizon, and hidden trails, there's always a new nook to discover. In town, mornings come alive with local anglers delivering their fresh catch, setting the scene for the day's meals in bustling open-air cafes. While Walker's Point offers mesmerizing sunsets, a stroll away reveals art galleries and boutiques, capturing the spirit of Kennebunkport. Kennebunkport, where coastal elegance meets rich history, a true Maine masterpiece. Next on our list is Augusta, Maine's historic capital. Many rush to Maine's alluring beaches, but nestled inland lies a city rich in history and charm, Augusta, Maine's capital. The heart of Augusta is its downtown, a canvas of Victorian architectural wonders. These structures tell tales of a time gone by, where every brick and facade has a story. Hospitality thrives here. Cozy bed and breakfasts offer comfortable stays, and landmarks like the Maine State House, the preserved Old Fort Western, and the insightful Maine State Museum enrich your visit. For those itching for the outdoors, the Bond Brook trails beckon. Popular among locals, they offer a rugged escape right in the city's backyard. Capitol Park, with its sprawling green, is perfect for a family picnic. And don't miss out on the local flavors. Augusta's dining scene boasts authentic chowders and fresh shellfish, a treat for every palate. And there's Kennebunkport, coastal elegance and history. Heading south, we reach Kennebunkport. Known to many as the summer haven of the Bush family, this town offers more than just political star power. Its coastline is a serene escape. With miles of beaches, sailboats dotting the horizon, and hidden trails, there's always a new nook to discover. In town, mornings come alive with local anglers delivering their fresh catch, setting the scene for the day's meals in bustling open-air cafes. While Walker's Point offers mesmerizing sunsets, a stroll away reveals art galleries and boutiques, capturing the spirit of Kennebunkport. Kennebunkport, where coastal elegance meets rich history, a true Maine masterpiece. This next city, Portland, Maine, has a bit of name evolution that has occurred. Let me explain. Perched on a peninsula in the heart of Casco Bay, Portland tells a story that spans centuries and carries with it the legacy of diverse inhabitants. Long before its modern identity, the Algonquin tribe cherished this land, naming it Michigan. By 1633, European settlers arrived, christening it Casco. Then, under the dominion of the Massachusetts Bay Colony, its name evolved to Falmouth. In 1786, a fresh chapter began. Citizens of Falmouth, seeking identity, carved out a town from the Falmouth Neck. giving birth to Portland. Portland's strategic location made it a bustling shipping port. Notably, it remained ice-free in winter, becoming Canada's prime winter seaport till 1923. Today, Portland resonates with over 65,000 souls, with its metro area boasting a population nearing 514,000. This makes it the most populous in the tri-state corner of Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. While skylines often define cities, Portland's charm lies in its modest heights. The Cathedral of the Immaculate Conception soars at 204 feet, closely followed by the Franklin Towers. However, what Portland might lack in towering structures, it compensates with its picturesque downtown. The quaint red brick aesthetic, especially near the water, adds a unique allure. Night or day, Portland pulses with energy. A culinary haven, it prides itself on its signature dish, the sumptuous lobster. Casco Bay and its historic forts are the city's pride. The floating illusion of Fort Gorges, reminiscent of South Carolina's Fort Sumter, is a sight to behold. Equally captivating are the lighthouses, with the iconic Portland headlight standing as Maine's oldest. Elevated above the city, the Portland Observatory stands sentinel. As the nation's only maritime signal station, it played a pivotal role. Its ingenious design, coupled with telescopes, alerted merchants of ships 30 miles away, streamlining harbor operations. Today, this relic of the past offers breathtaking views of the harbor and Casco Bay. Portland's rich tapestry of history and maritime heritage make it a treasure of New England. If you've been enlightened by Portland's tale, do like and share this video. Thank you. As the sun sets on our exploration of Portland, we hope you've caught a glimpse of the adventure that awaits. This video marks the beginning of our journey on the Women Nomads channel. Consider this a mere appetizer, a taste of the rich tapestry of travel stories we're eager to share. From in-depth explorations to handy travel guides, our upcoming content will immerse you in diverse destinations, guiding and inspiring every step of your own journey. Don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss out on the treasures we'll be unveiling. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share the love. Narrator, until next time, fellow nomads. Safe travels and endless discoveries.